Hi, I'm Leslie Ann Gata Pantone. I'm playing for PLDT MyDSL. After I graduated from college, nag-work na ako sa PLDT, and then, eto, nabigyan ng chance na magkaroon ng ganitong league. Sumali ang PLDT, and then, ako as an employee, kinuha nila to be part of this league. As na lumipas na yung mga ilang taon din na hindi nakapaglaro, kailangan ko ibalik yung dati kong strength, ang capacity ko as a libero.
Well, of course, Leslie Ann Gata Pantone, you can see her on your screens right now. She did get married, of course. Leslie Ann Gata siya dati. Pantone, she already actually has a child. May anak na sila. Yeah, and she's still very fit. But again, it's different if you're physically fit, but mental, the mental game, of course, playing at this level. When you're playing in your company sports fest, you know, you can dominate. But when you're back playing the big girls of Philippine volleyball, you know, that mental focus has to come back, and it has to come back quick. Although right now, PLDT MyDSL has a 2-1 lead against Bingo Millonario, and that's a big bite right there.
It's actually the Gumabao sisters.
That's right.
Watching their sister here live
Kat
at the
Gumabao.
Philport Arena.
Kat Gumabao is like the manager already.
It's like the ate, always with
always
Michelle.
there with Michelle, that's right. So we are about to begin our fourth set with Makatuno on the floor along with Rosemary Vargas, Leslie Ann Gata Pantone, Michelle Omegdat Lucet Dawis, Angela Benting, and Wenat Eulalio. Chisayat back in along with Paneng Mercado and Mick Laborte, and all of a sudden the white shirts just watch the ball drop in front of them.
Lack of communication on their end.
Look at Cher Peñano just become the cheerleader on the floor right now.
She used to be a very noisy player on the floor.
I'm sure she mopped the floor a lot as well with her uniform.
Yeah, after that it's already clean.
Dawis cannot get it to drop in. So we are now tied, or make that 2-0 lead now for Bingo Millonario. Chisayat on the floor with Cher Peñano. Michelle Gumabao is also back in. Paneng Mercado, Maika Morada, and Mick Laborte. Benting denied by Paneng Mercado.
Crucial set here for Bingo Millonario to get those points in. Looking at the numbers in the third set for PLDT, they had two top scorers in Pao Soriano and Angela Benting, but for Bingo Millonario, they only have Patrona with 5 points.
Well, 4 straight points again, like in the third set, has been surrendered here by PLDT MyDSL on that hitting error from Lucet Dawis. Chisayat, the different story is now Chisayat is starting this set. Benting, long again.
I think Benting is really bothered by the blockers. She's asking for a check, but no call was made.
Mick saying, I didn't touch it. I never touched it. I never touched the ball.
I don't think any volleyball player would actually admit to that.
Here's the back set now. Wenat Eulalio going long again. Now this is a worse hole now for PLDT MyDSL. Earlier it was 4-0. Now it is 6-0. And Francis Vicente understandably has to burn an early timeout here. So let's listen in to this huddle here.
Okay, ganito gagawin natin. May receive tayo. Ang problema yung pumapalo natin, masyado kayong conscious sa blocker eh. Hampasin nyo lang ng padiin. Hindi na nga kayo binablock ng sobra-sobra, nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay na nga yung block ng kabila. Nakakandaletse-letse pa tayo sa pagpalo. Paano natin gagawin yun? Kasi walang snap yung palo ninyo. Tapos ang baba na ng kamay ninyo. Intindihan? May, lagyan mo ng play. Tapusin natin.
I was looking at the lineup there during that huddle. Only Russell Halbuna has not played so far. There's Michelle Gumabao on your screens. Michelle Gumabao, of course, still has 1 year of eligibility in the UAAP, but elected to forego it to pursue actually a multitude of opportunities for her, and another error here against PLDT MyDSL.
Oh, I wonder what is happening here.
Well, you know, the bad thing about calling your first timeout even before the technical timeout is you only have one timeout left for the rest of the set.
That's right, but I think it's really urgent already for Coach Francis. What he needs to wake up the girls and say, hey, we gotta get a point.
Well, Benting tried to do what he said, but she was denied. Dawis, Morada, Saet. The tinikling did not work for G. Saet. It's a crossing violation.
Not happy with that. But of course, our officials have their eye on each and every player, especially at the net.
They've seen it all before, too.
Don't make any excuses. I've seen that before.
7-1. Finally, Bingo Millonario, or make that PLDT My DSL is on the board. And another, this is the second rotation violation now called against Bingo Millonario in the game.
This is what they have to be careful of. Sometimes those calls would bring the momentum over to the other side, even
Right.
if you say that they're up 5 points.
Well, earlier they were up also by 4 points. Bingo Millonario was, but they lost the third set. Gumbabaw! Well done there by Michelle. Carla Llaguno will check back in to replace Mick Laborte, but of course it is the technical timeout. 8-2. Bingo Millonario up by 6.
Hey guys, tara. Technical timeout to. Pasok ko si Carla, karga mo service. Okay? Then, saka tayo ulit bablock. Diretso lang tayo, diretso lang. Okay, kumatakot. Okay! Go! Enjoy! Enjoy lang, enjoy lang.
I remember when Ronald Dulay was actually the head coach at the University of the Philippines. That's exactly what you'll hear him say.
Karulang, let's see if that will keep this
is great.
momentum.
Mick Laborte teaching Michelle Gumabao the finer points of blocking. That's gonna make Michelle Gumabao really scary. Now, you have to remember that Michelle Gumabao is already a 3-time best blocker in the UAAP. And of course, the reigning finals MVP in the UAAP. And again, it just boggles the mind that she's a utility spiker. She's not even a middle hitter.
But, if you look at the game of volleyball, most of the sets really are given to the outside hitter. That's why every time we put in someone at the utility position, that person must be a tough blocker.
Right. Carla Llaguno will check in. Luan Latigay sees her first action since the first set. Nursing a shoulder injury but still opting to play. 8-2. Llaguno. Pantone. Here's the back set now going to Angela Benting. Cher Peñano setting up. Panay Mercado. Pao Soriano. Peñano. She saw it. Back set now, Michelle Gumabao. Dug up again by Pantone. Another long rally. Here's Pao Soriano. Tried to finish it, and she does because Gumabao's return went out. 8-3 right now in favor of Bingo Millonario. And slowly the points are starting to come in for PLDT My DSL Speed Boosters. She saw it. Morada going through Pao Soriano and Luan Latigay. That is not an easy thing to do.
But I guess the Puffins realize the sense of urgency. It's now or never. They have to win this set.
Number 4, Mercado on the serving line.
Well, 9-3, 6-point lead. PLDT My DSL. Or make that Bingo Millonario. PLDT My DSL need to get it done. And again, the net has been very fickle to these girls. Saet for Gumabao. Tries to drop it. Latigay is there. Gata Pantone, too near for Vargas, who has to joust, and she wins against Michelle Gumabao.
There's that power and that strength from Vargas.
9-4 right now in favor of Bingo Millonario.
Look at this. Seemed like a soft tip for Vargas, but it was still very strong.
And that, of course, was against Michelle Gumabao. Mercado. Saet. Gumabao. Gumabao will miss. And now, the errors are starting to pile up again for Bingo Millonario. Luan Latigay. Check this out. Luan Latigay is a 5-time NCAA champion. Means her entire career she was a champion in the NCAA playing for Roger Gorayab and San Sebastian. Here's the attack from Pao. Gumabao off the block. Benting is there. Makatuno. Soriano with the left hand. Patrona getting it across. Makatuno. And Gumabao tries to keep it alive. Here's Patrona, denied by Pao Soriano. And the point
Soriano.
will go to Bingo Millonario. Apparently, it touched someone in a blue shirt before it went out.
But you know, Soriano was at the right place at the right time. She never took her eyes off the ball. There was.
Yeah, it did go through.
Gumabaw.
Michelle Gumabaw.
PLDT MyDSL.
9-6. Luan Latigay. Still serving from long distance. Here's Pao Soriano. Vargas. Well done by Rosemary Vargas against Paneng Mercado.
This was actually coming off a big lead earlier. Now the score is 9-7.
Bingo Millonario has seen enough. Ronald Dulay needs a ceasefire here.
PLDT
9-7.
7.
Are we listening to Francis Vicente?
Okay? Okay, ganito. Retrieve ng bola. Malakas yung harapan mo. Front player ka. Okay, front player. Minsan gumawa ka na ng gimmick. Kanina first set, second set, third set. Wala kang ginagawang ganon. Pag umover ang bola, gimikan mo na kagad. Okay, unexpected nila yon. Bumalik ang bola. Okay, pagbalik ng bola, siguraduhin mo mataas yung contact mo sa bola, ha? Naintindihan? Pagbalik, sino nasa harapan? Pao, nasa harap ka ba? Bilis, ha?
This is the fourth set in the match.
Well, gimikan meaning there's got to be a drop ball somewhere in there. Luan Latigay,
Something
of
that's
course.
not
Yeah.
predictable.
Let's take a look at that last play once again. Rosemary Vargas, just a lot of power, and that's what makes her very dangerous. We keep on saying this. It's not all power for her. Sometimes she goes off speed, and the blockers are already committed. Maika Morada, however, will miss, and they're looking for a check ball.
There's none. And this is, you know, the Puffins really just throwing away the points.
Right.
We saw how big their lead
Oh,
was
it was
earlier.
7-0. 7-0. It is now 9-8. So it is an 8-1 run by PLDT MyDSL. Nice dig there by Pantone. Pao Soriano. Pao Soriano the second time. Mercado. Peñano now for Patrona. And that looked like it was going out, but it was still played by Vargas. And Pao Soriano will miss.